Watch the video till the end to mastering manifestations and to get resources of manifestation. Manifestation is about exploring your inner self and exploring it to that extent where your dreams can become part of your regular life. This is true, and it is very much possible because there are people who have learned the art of manifestation and they have made their dreams come true, and there is a law known as the law of attraction. In this article, one will tell you the whole philosophy behind manifestation and behind the law of attraction. These two terms may sound confusing to you, but if you go little deep and search about them, then you will know that both of these terms are part of our regular life, and with little effort you can learn how to control them. Manifestation gives you direct control over your life, and they make you stronger and humble in a sense that you come to know the realities of your life. You can see a dream, think about something special, set a goal for your life, but without proper manifestation of those thoughts, dreams and ideas, you will not be able to make them happen, and you will not be able to implement them in your life and make these thoughts, dreams and ideas real. To take advantage of manifestation, you need to know the exact logic of manifestation in the first place. Once you know the components and procedure of executing the manifestation techniques, then you can do all those things which are really important in your life. If you are living a successful life, then it may be not very important for you to think that how did you achieve that success, but all that matters is you have achieved it. This can be really helpful idea for knowing the importance of manifestation in your personal development. This is all about thinking and just thinking, but not considering how. Manifestation makes your life better but without telling you how. This is the simplest form of manifestation which you can know. Clear thoughts are necessary for manifestation, and similar clear thoughts are necessary for personal development. You need to identify yourself in order to make yourself more productive and more accurate. These are very basic things which you need to implement in your life, and if you see these things, then most of the things are common in manifestation and personal development. Similarities between manifestation and personal development. There are lots of techniques and tactics which are similar in manifestation and personal productivity. For example, goal setting is important in both manifestation and personal development, because without setting a productive and precise goal, you cannot make yourself productive, neither can you achieve manifestation. Another common thing is to take actions in order to achieve those goals which you set. This is important, and it is also present in both personal development and manifestation that only thinking about the goal will not take you to the goal. Instead, you have to work your way towards your goal by putting some real effort. Presence of emotions is another thing which you need to have in both situations, because you cannot be productive as long as you do not know about the feeling that you will get after making something real. The core purpose of this video was to introduce some spiritualism in your lives, and manifestation is first thing which makes you to believe in spiritualism. The world around you is the sum of all the thoughts which you have in your mind. This is the simplest definition of manifestation, and there are different ways to achieve manifestation. You can make your thoughts alive and real by implementing manifestation in your life. This may sound little odd, but there are people who have been practicing manifestation and it has changed their lives. There are lots of success stories associated with manifestation, and these stories are very much real. Check the link in the description to start manifestation. If you like the video, please like, share and comment, and click the subscribe button. Thank you.